I've been thinking a lot lately about this life, our time here, and just how quickly it all goes by. I feel so at peace out of the city. I got a package the other day, and under our address it said non-urban, and that made me smile. I've been dreaming of removing myself from the city life for a while now. Living in the city was never a dream of mine, but it felt like a place I needed to be. Over time, I started to realize that that just wasn't the truth.
Stay awake every night just to catch one more glimpse of your skin. When I look at the way you sleep, I know I'm home.
I have always longed for a deeper connection to nature, especially within my own home, so that it could be a daily practice, a harmonious lifestyle with nature. I was able to successfully fulfill that yearning by having an abundant vegetable garden in our urban home in Los Angeles, and that worked wonders in transporting me to a place of pure zen. It helped me live in the moment, and it showed me I could be happy no matter where I was living, as long as I was trying to make the most of it and that I was living in the moment. I needed to know that before moving to my next chapter in life. That doesn't mean that my daydreams went away. I would put my hands in the soil, I would close my eyes and dream of the day that I could live deeper in nature, and imagined the day that I would open up my window without hearing sirens and the traffic outside. I got this apron when I was at a thrift shop in Wanaka, Wastebusters, a very well-known thrift store that's amazing. Anyways, it says Portugal on it, and I've never been to Portugal. We were supposed to go to Portugal in our honeymoon, but of course, the way the world is these days, we didn't go, and I just saw this in the thrift store and was like, I think I need that. It honestly just makes me happy when I wear it. I wear it in the garden as well. I put my little trowel, like garden gloves in here, and all my supplies. The sun's coming back out again. New Zealand has taught me to embrace the moment in many ways, but one of the ways that it has taught me that is through its weather. New Zealand will be sunny 1 minute, then it will get cloudy, then it will rain, then it will be overcast, and it will get sunny again. And so for me, it's been about embracing whatever Mother Nature decides to give us in that moment in time. And it teaches you that that's just part of life. Like, you're not always going to get exactly what you thought was going to happen, but it's just sort of embracing what there is. So when it's raining, I make a cup of tea. It's actually really nice sometimes. It's sunny and it's raining, so you just see the rain pouring through the sunshine, and it's so magical. Or, when it's sunny, I'll go outside and soak in the vitamin D on my face. If it's cloudy, I'll wear my favorite cozy sweater, and it's just like kind of just embracing whatever there is in that moment. New Zealand has taught me to slow down,
to be present and to take in each day. Day by day, I feel a sense of healing in more ways than I can express in this video. It's not that I couldn't do any of this reflecting before. I just think that moving to another country just about 7,000 miles away from where I'm from made me zoom out and reflect on how I was living. Growing up in America, being overly busy and productive was a sign of success, but what if that's not success at all? What if sitting with ourselves and thinking and reflecting and becoming better people is a productive use of our time? Our work does not define us. Even if I love what I do now, I still feel uncomfortable when people ask me what I do when they first meet me. Why don't we start asking people what they love or when they feel the most at peace? I am grateful, so grateful, that I get to do what I do now for a living. But it wasn't always this way. I can transport myself easily back to my days of waitressing, working in retail, and many, many years of working in banking. And I knew then, just like I know today, that work is not what defines us. If anything, I hope this video feels like a warm hug. It's just me wanting to tell you not to put so much weight on what you do. Although this may sound morbid, but when someone passes, people don't join around to talk about what they did for work or how much money they made or how successful they were in their career. They will remember you by how you made them feel and how you lived your life wholeheartedly.